From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. Whoa, what a day. The name of this video, Ebola and the Algos. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1960.5 early in the day. The low came in at 1920.80 early afternoon. And last, we're 1923 even. We're down 38.8 handles. Total volume is size. We have 3 million minis traded and 6,000 big S&Ps traded in the pit. The MIM, the data was a little slow, and it showed 102 million to sell. The actual MOC came out, MOC sell 580 million to 700 million. Now, I got to say something. How do you like that? Yesterday, we have a 50 handle rip, and then today we have a 48 handle dip. Tomorrow we've got the import-export prices. We've got Charles Plosser from the Fed speaking. We got Esther George from the Fed speaking. We got a lot of Fed speak. We got Richard Fisher from the Fed speaking. We have the Treasury Budget number, and we have Jeffrey Lacker from the Fed speaking. Now, I got to start this out by asking you, are you scared yet? I'm telling you, this price action is very, very scary. Now look, I think what's going on here is all this stuff about the Ebola and these headlines showing up on the TV and on the news stuff, it's got the algos just going ballistic. In fact, one guy on our Twitter just said that his best days are when the volumes are like this and the S&P goes up, and he's one of those guys that runs the algos. The guys that take our money all day long. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is the PitBull's Thursday, Friday low. It's very much in question here. And you know, are we going to take out that triple bottom that everybody's been talking about all day long? I think we are. Now, I got to admit it, you guys, I did a big, false start yesterday. I thought that the S&P was good. We had a 50 handle rally off the lows in less than 24 hours. Everything looked fine, but then we come back in and it's the same old muck facing the market that's been facing the S&P ever since the beginning of September. There's been no let up at all. And then the last thing I want to talk about are some levels. 1906, 1909, 1900, 1895, 1890. I think that's on tap now. I really do. And the last thing I want to say is the Jinx Month and how I thought maybe that it was going to turn into the bear killer. Well, you know what? We still have 16 trading days left in October. So while the jury may be pointed to the downside right now, we can't say it's completely out. We knew that the month of October was going to be scary. All these Ebola headlines have only added to it. We'll leave it like that. We'll see you guys tomorrow on the opening print.